Are you a person of procrastinating your work and faces lots of failure and make the day unfruitful and infertile? Then here we go. Hello everyone. Today we are here with the book summary Do It Today by author Darius Forax. First, what is procrastination? It is the act of delaying or postponing your task due to lack of motivation, low self confidence, fear of failure, and many other things. To avoid this situation, always remind yourself do it today, not tomorrow. To achieve this, eliminate everything that hinder your focus. There is a saying that you can't escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. Thus, postponing your work causes depression, low self esteem, stress, and whatnot. To stop wasting time, first set yourself with self imposed deadlines. Try to complete the task on or before the deadlines. Follow the 30 minutes of evening ritual, that is, before going to bed, do journaling of what you have achieved today and what to be done tomorrow. Doing this will lead you in the right way without getting diverted from various aspects. Author consider the major reason for procrastination is usage of mobile phones or TV. When you are given alert with a notification, you tend to get excited and check what's happening. From there, you get deviated and check for emails or YouTube videos. There is a research which states that it takes minimum of 20 to 25 minutes of time to resume back to work from deviation. If you calculate, unproductive hours will be more than that of the productive hours. Certainly, anything of too much is good for nothing. The same is apt for the usage of mobile phones also. When you are engaged in your work, turn off all the notification or the one that you get excited which will finally eat up your time. To be focused, what may the situation or disturbances, remember the mantra by the boxer Mayweather, who never even came close to losing. He has been trained himself of saying, let's go, when he wake up, which pushes him to put more hard work and dedication. Anything that constantly told get registered in your subconscious, and that's the power of mantras. Be focused towards your deadline. Do you really need to be perfect? No, definitely not. The perfectionists are their own devils. One who is perfect waits for right moment, never make mistakes, and always takes more time, which finally leads to procrastination. Let's now take a challenge of reading 100 books a year. Now, how can this be achieved? Rather buying only 100 books, get it in bulk. If you don't have money, then find a way to make the money. There is saying when you have little money, buy books, and if anything left, buy food and clothes. Reason for buying in bulk is that you may get to have more choices and that will attract you to read more. Read the relevant books wherever, whenever you get the time. Retaining the knowledge is something more important than reading. Once we are focused on certain work for a long period of time, we get stressed and this reduces our creativity and productivity. Thus, taking a break at a certain interval of 30 to 40 minutes is most important. This will help you to re-evaluate your work and increases your creativity to a maximum. Even though you are bulked up with lot more work, spend time to go for a vacation. Once feeling free and relaxed will help you to complete your work more faster than before. Giving rest to mind and body is equally important to get the work done in a minimum time. Always follow the habit of blocking your calendar. Block time for your most important priorities and let your calendar lead the way to get the idea of what should I do next. Being consistent is another important way to be more focused. Don't check for the ups and downs in your work. Just go for at least 0.1% of consistency every day of the year. Believe in yourself. What may the external forces that pushes you to the point where you lack your self-confidence and may feel low? Have in mind that you can believe it, you can achieve it. Get rid of the thought of competition. Make your mind create not to compete for what is already created. So how can you create new things? You need to have strong basic of the work you do. This can be achieved only through repetition. Knowledge is something you need to be gained every day. And finally, measure the success of your life through energy, work, and relationship. Measuring of energy can be done through how energetic and enthusiastic you feel. This can be achieved by constant exercise and healthy diet. Work can be measured by the knowledge you gain, not by the income you get. Without action, knowledge is useless. The more you contribute to other people's lives, the better relationship would be. How people treat you is their karma. How you react is yours. Like a immortal, and don't rush things up as if life is going to end today. Enjoy every second and get focused on your work. Understand that success is sequential, not simultaneous. When there is hard work, dedication, focusing on your work, doing things on time will definitely lead you to the path of success. And that's it. Hope you liked the video about procrastination. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.